The suspects on similar crime were on Friday remanded to Luzira by the Nakawa Magistrate Court. Their appearances could be yet another showdown with the police after the group promised they will walk to court.
Received these summons belatedly though, and as citizens, they will be responsible and will be to Buganda Road Court tomorrow.
The activists have asked police to avoid any provocation that could spark of violence and result into injuries or deaths. In a case before court in Nakawa, prosecution alleges that on March 21st between Kafumbe Mukasa Road, Naminembe Road and Mini Price Building on Benchwanka Street, the accused formed unlawful assembly with the purpose of inciting members of the public against the police. The skirmishes that followed killed one John Michael Ariyong, an assistant inspector of police. The group was arrested after the city road inspection tour led by Lord Mayor Erias Lukwago was stained by riots as police attempted to block the parade that was following the politicians on Benchwanka Street. The opposition has since denied any wrongdoing and blamed it on the police that insists the opposition is to blame. Deputy Inspector General of Police Okoth Ochola warned last week that the battle lines have now been drawn, adding that the police would not allow any more acts of lawlessness.
I'm assuring the country the red line is now drawn.
Moses Outside Riga, Bahati Remy, NBS Television.